G'day, Pinball here. This is standard 206 keyword multi-lock interactive, not the interactive plus, just the normal one. So the interactive is on stack number 2 and she's pin and pin. So we'll give it a whirl. There we go. Is that open? I don't actually know. Or is it just pin and pin? Full set, that's huge. I don't think that's open. That's such a huge full set. That's awesome. Or is that open because this is catching on the back of the thing? No, that's not open. That's massive. I love it. Right. So one. There we go, that's definitely open. So, oh yeah, like now you can turn that more because it was catching on this thingy here. Right, so we'll close that back up and put that down there and grab this tray. My other two trays in use with partially disassembled locks. So I'll just open that up. I'm so used to sidebars and all sorts of other things coming out. Okay, so we've got a couple of that'd be key control things. Did that come out? Yep. Yeah, we'll pull that. What are we going to do here? Turn that around. Oh, a cool lock. Really not terrible to pick, but I just love the complexity of these, and that false set is just superb. There's one and two key control things. So, oh, that's the interactive bit is preventing that key from coming out, so I presume, I don't quite know. Why that's stuck. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that'll just be because there's nothing pressing down from the top. So there's our core. There's no counter milling in that. So there's our pin and pins. And then in here, I'll run out tweezers. So we've got actually a wafer there. Oh, that was weird. Because that wafer would have been preventing the pin and pin from working correctly. But all the others are intact, and these are all serrated. So yeah, there's springs in there, but that's all pretty straightforward. So I'll leave those in there. But yeah, cool stuff. Serrated pin and pins. All pin and pins. Fun pick. Thanks for watching.